Study of zoology, living or dead animal. Bird बर्ड के ऑर्निथोलॉजी, इनहेरिटेंस, जेनेटिक, इन्वायरमेंट इकोलॉजी, प्लांट फॉसिल, पैलियोबायोलॉजी. फ्लावर के लिए एंथोलॉजी, फेरेनोलॉजी, ह्यूमन स्कल, एंथोलॉजी फ्लावर, एग्रोस्टोलॉजी ग्रासेस, पैलिनोलॉजी पोलन ग्रेन. साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ इंसेक्ट इंटोमोलॉजी, फिश इक्थोलॉजी, parasitology parasitic organism, malacology mollusca egg-shell. कल्चर के लिए इथनोलॉजी, एंथ्रोग्राफी स्पेसिफिक कल्चर, इथोलॉजी एनिमल बिहेवियर, इथिक्स इथिकल ड्यूटीज. रियरिंग सिल्क, सेरीकल्चर. हॉर्टिकल्चर फ्रूट एंड फ्लावर, सेरीकल्चर सिल्क वर्म, एपीकल्चर रियरिंग बीज, फ्लोरिकल्चर फ्लावर, हनी बीज एपीकल्चर. वेजिटेबल कल्टीवेशन हॉर्टिकल्चर. गलत है. स्टडी रिलेटेड टू वेजिटेबल इज कॉल्ड ओलेरिकल्चर. पिसिकल्चर इंसेक्ट ऑफ लाख नहीं, पिसिकल्चर फीस. लेक्सिकोग्राफी कंपाइलेशन ऑफ डिक्शनरी. फिलोलॉजी स्टडी ऑफ लैंग्वेज स्ट्रक्चर एंड इट्स हिस्ट्री. इंटोमोलॉजी इंसेक्ट. इकोनोग्राफी स्टडी ऑफ आइडल्स. विटिकल्चर ग्रेप्स. ब्रांच ऑफ स्टडी डीलिंग विद द ओल्ड एज ग्रेंटोलॉजी. एजिंग का है ग्रेंटोलॉजी. पेडोलॉजी सॉइल स्टडी ऑफ बोन. ऑस्टियोलॉजी. ओरोलॉजी माउंटेन. सेरोलॉजी सेरम. जियोलॉजी इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अर्थ. बोन ऑस्टोलॉजी. स्नैक सर्पेंटोलॉजी. हाइड्रोपोनिक्स ग्रोइंग प्लांट विदाउट सॉइल. ऑड आउट फ्रॉम साइकोलॉजी स्टडी ऑफ माइंड एप. इवोल्यूशन ऑफ लाइफ. करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजी. इयोसीन, मायोसीन, प्लायोसीन, प्लेस्टोसीन, होलोसीन. Absent in the atmosphere of the primitive earth. Oxygen. Earth's magnetic field has reversed every few 100,000 years. Even living organisms originated, they modified the early atmosphere of the earth. Earth emerged approximately 2000 कितना को जो भी है ईयर एगो. Oldest organism on earth, blue-green algae. Origin of a species by Darwin. Darwin theory, natural selection is based on overproduction, struggle for existence and various survival for fittest. Propounded the theory of evolution, Darwin. First evolution of life, Lamarck. Mountain mutation theory of evolution, Hugo de Vries. Theory of mutation, Hugo de Vries. Evolution, Darwin. One gene, one enzyme hypothesis, Beadle or Tatum. Oprenod concept, Jacob or Monod. Our main factor of evolution is natural selection. In context of organic evolution, the loss of limbs in snake is explained by the phenomena of use and disuse of organ. The reason of large-scale diversity among the organism is mutation. Among living organisms, which one of the following is most responsible factor for beginning about the origin of new species? Mutation. Last ancestor of modern human is Cro-Magnon man. The word Denisovan is sometimes mentioned in media is an early human species. Archeo Archaeopteryx is most ancient bird of Jurassic age. Mammoth is ancestor of elephant. Dinosaurs were Mesozoic reptiles. Dinosaurs were Mesozoic era. Living organism. Which one of the sequence is correct? Frog, salamander, python or kangaroo? Taxonomy. Which one of the correct order of plant species from higher to lower? Plant kingdom, phylum, class, order. K, P, C, O, F, G, S. Fundamental similarity is called as species. Biologists have so far found and identified a large number of species in the plant and animal kingdom. In terms of number, and largest found and identified so far is from among the insects. Who discovered bacteria? Leeuwenhoek. Bacteria can be seen by compound microscope. Some bacteria synthesize their own food. These bacteria have green matter called chloroplast. Nahi. Statement bacteria is correct. Gram positive and gram negative bacteria responsible for differentiation, cell wall. The smallest organism capable of autonomous growth and reproduction, mycoplasma. Amoeba reproduce by fission, and all unicellular organisms reproduce by asexual method. In which organism does spore formation occur in the mode of reproduction? Bacteria, fungi, algae, and some plant like mosses fungi. Cultural in artificial synthetic medium. Bacteria, fungi. Warm blood animals are those which are able to keep their body temperature constant temperature all time. Not correct. All equinodermal are viviparous. Roundworm has no circulatory system. In bony fish, a swim bladder is usually present. In cartilaginous fish, fertilization is internal. Creatures have no blood but respire. Hydra. Not a fish. Starfish. Sharkfish, bone zero. Not a bird. गोल्डन मसीर बर्ड नहीं है. फिश इसमें से कौन है? सी हॉर्स. ट्रू फिश है सी हॉर्स. लार्जेस्ट मैमल व्हेल. व्हेल बिलोंग्स टू mammals. Whale. Largest of toothed whale, a sperm whale. One lays egg and does not produce young one directly. Echidna. Flying organism not belong to group of apes. Bat. Mammal capable in flying is bat. Mammal lays egg. Echidna. मैमल्स, इसमें से मैमल्स कौन है? सी काउ और सी लायन. सी हॉर्स फिश है. डॉल्फिन आर क्लासिफाइड इन मैमल्स. फ्रॉग आर कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल. सही बात. दिस ब्रेथ फ्रॉम स्किन. फ्रॉग. Amphibians are animals living equally in water and on land both. From the following option, seal is a species of mammals. During the metamorphosis of frog, Intestine is shortened. Gavialous crocodile are mostly found in Ganga. Atrocious animal. Otter. To reduce chance of being captured by predators. Vulnerable part. Hedgehog or pangolin. Indian squirrel. They store their food material like nut and seed in the ground. They are omnivorous. Among the following, not an ape. Langur. Panda belongs to the same family of that of bear. Which one of the following makes a tool with a stick to scrape insect from hole in a tree or a log of wood? Orangutan. Nilgai belongs to following family: deer. Asiatic wild ass Equus heminus, Barasinga, Cervus, Dobukli, Chinkara, gazelle or Nilgai Boselaphus. Scientific name of leopard: Panthera pardus. भाई साहब कैसा कैसा नाम है. Lion do not have a particular breeding season. Unlike most other big cats, cheetah do not roar. Marsupials can thrive only in mountain grassland with no predators. गलत. Marsupials are not naturally found in India. Wingless insect, silverfish, flightless bird, kiwi, limbless reptile, snake, lungless creature, fish. Kiwi is a flightless bird found only in New Zealand. Octopus is a mollusca. Largest invertebrate is squid. Class of crab: Malacostraca. Mite or scorpion or spider, Arachnida का है. White leg born in variety of fall. Tick and mite are actually arachnids. Termite are also known as white ant. Glowworm is an insect. Spiders are different from insects because they have 8 legs. Which not insect among the following? Spider. Silk produced by a spider is called gossamer silk. At which stage life cycle does not silkworm yield fiber of commerce? Pupa. Silkworm grows on mulberry leaves. Animal without RBC is earthworm. White blood cockroach. Not obtained from insect, pearl. Secretion from body of an insect, lac. How do most insects respire? By tracheal system. Organisms: cicada, frog hopper and sponge scatter are insect. Tapeworm is hermaphrodite. Roundworm is separate sexes. Filaria caused by nematode. Guinea worm is an annelida. नहीं. Detritivírus, earthworm, millipede or woodlice. Parasitoid species are found in And when ant bite, they inject formic acid. How many of generally nocturnal most active is lentil macaroni? Well known as cultivator of fungi and store water in intestine camel. Only snake that build a nest king cobra. Venom of cobra is neurotoxic. For which one of the following diet mainly composed of other snake king cobra? Poisonous species among them butterfly, fish, frog. Poison gland of snake are homologous to salivary gland of vertebrates. Which one of the following insectivorous plant? Peacher plant. Peacher plant become modified into peacher leaf. Largest flower in the world, Rafflesia. Insectivorous plant grow in soil deficient in nitrogen. Dog are herbivorous. False. Turmeric powder is obtained from which part of the turmeric? None of these. Modified stem, rhizome. Turmeric is example of rhizome. स्टेम है जिंजर. जिंजर इज स्टेम एंड नॉट रूट बिकॉज नोट और इंटर नोट है. Modified stem, potato. Potato is tuber. Pea plant, herb. A clove is represent to which of the following flower bird? Cloves are dried flower. Cloves are obtained from flower board, dried flower board. Clove species obtained from flower board. Not true fruit, apple. Type of fruit in which drupe. Characteristic of odor of garlic is due to sulfur compound. Peel of onion cause tears as onion release sulfonic acid. Pungency in chili, capsicum. Mulberry fruit cirrhosis. Cause of sweet taste in fruit, fructose. Red chili are hot because these contain capsicum. Man-made krill not found in nature, triticale. Most likely to be found surviving on surface without soil, lichen and moss. Desert or pterophyte plant have long viscous taproot. Desert plants are generally succulent. Plant that grow in saline soil is holophytes. Plant called salt-loving plant called holophytes. Process of breaking down organic matter by microorganism is called decomposition. After bringing out of water, fishes die because they cannot breathe. Redness of apple, anthocyanin. Red color of tomato, lycopene. Our scientists have discovered a new and distinct objective of banana plant which attains a height of about 11 meters and has orange colored fruit pulp. Andaman Island. Fungi are plants that lack of chlorophyll. Yeast is an example of fungus. Yeast mushroom fungi. Mushroom fungi. Unique relationship with insect that have co-evolved with it, and that is only insect that can pollinate this tree. Fig. Symbiotic relationship of the organism. Cynidarians, fungi, protozoa. Microgia. Useful functional association between fungi and root of higher plant. Interaction between algae and fungi to form lichen is called mutualism. Lichen, which are capable of initiating ecological succession even on a bare rock, are actually a symbiotic association of algae and fungi. In lichen, chlorophyll containing partner algae and fungus live together. Not grow in polluted area. Lichen. Nitrogen fixing bacteria present in nodules of the root of leguminous plant are symbiotic.